Sophie, and your lovely dog, Holly.
And this is Andrew. And Sophie and Andrew are going to be helping Kyle and Sarah out. See, this game is called Sound Effects. The way this game works is that Kyle and Sarah are going to be playing out a scene. And whenever they need sound effects, Sophie and Andrew are going to be the people that provide them. So, Sophie, you're going to be providing sound effects for Kyle. And Andrew, you're going to be providing sound effects for Sarah. We're going to hand over our microphones in just a second, but before we do, we are going to need a suggestion for the scene that they are in.
Where is somewhere that you really do not like to go?
The corner.
Help.
No, that's a little too close to home.
Florida.
Did you die?
Let's not talk about that. Let's just go
Corner.
Yeah. Is that the corner?
Corner, not corner. Yeah.
Now you realize it. Okay.
All right, I guess your suggestion is the fucking corner. So that's cool. Lots of noises there. So whenever you guys are ready, go ahead and take it away.
Ma, I don't want to get in the corner. I know I burnt Jenna's hand, but I mean with the stove. I just don't want to.
Get in the corner.
Mom, please.
No, you are not allowed to burn your siblings. Okay? Did you hear the sizzle of her hand thing?
Yeah, and it was fun.
Yeah, not for your sister. You gotta go to the corner. Alright, well you're in there.
How much time do I have to stay here?
5 minutes. Okay, you can get out.
It's too long though, Mom.
Get out! Like, I'm tired of hearing you complain. Alright. Go watch cartoons or something. Oh, wait.
The cable is out, Mom.
Oh, I'm sorry. Can I buy you like a drum set or something?
It is, yes. But here's the thing, I'm terrible at the drums. Like, just.
I'm gonna make dinner. I'm gonna get my hands. Get my hands out. And I'm gonna make some soup.
I want to eat soup.
I'm the vegetable. You need to practice.
It's like a symbol. I don't know what.
Kyle, you need to practice your drums.
I'm trying, Mom.
You're never gonna be in the next biggest band if you don't practice now.
Maybe I just wanted inspiration for Big Time Rush, okay?
Well, you're not gonna be big time if you don't practice.
No?
Come on, rhythm.
I'll try the guitar then. Okay, here we go.
Wow.
I mean, I'm trying my best when I want to string it to car. I know. Okay, here we go.
I'm gonna put this band down.
Break the plate again!
No! I may have started a grease fire. Oh no!
Oh, God. Okay, here we go. Here. This is the only thing the drum's good for. May have put the cat in the drum set again.
It's okay.
And now the drum set's on fire.
Don't tell Peter.
Simple. How about that? That's a very quiet
How
song.
about we just write something?
What? I don't.
Well, I think the house is just gonna burn down. We should call the cops.
No, let's not call the cops. I know exactly what to do.
Hello? Yeah, 911. My house is starting on fire. My son will probably start on some fire soon. He's trying to put it out. I just think we need someone to come.
No.
Oh, you got a fire truck coming?
I got this the fire.
I don't hear.
I just fired it.
Oh, he's coming. He's coming. Thank you. Let's get out.
But no, I have a fire drum set going on.